get a bowl, add a cup of flour, what else do you put into it? A cup of water, a half teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of garlic powder. If you don't like garlic, then don't put it in. Beat it all together, and then once it's beaten up, beat an egg in something else, and then beat the egg into this mixture as well, right? Next, get about a cup of sweet corn. Make sure that you cook the sweet corn first. You don't add big dods of crunchy sweet corn into it. Hold on a wee minute. Just give that a quick mix. Just make sure it's mixed right in there. Then what you want to get is cheese. Cheddar cheese. What I usually use is red Leicester cheese. I don't know why, I just like to taste it. But here I've got 125 grams. But I'll see exactly how much I'm going to add into this in a minute, right? Aye, just bang that. Mix the cheese right in as well. Okay, that's looking good. I'll just put a lot of that in. Balls are rattling about there. Right, get a lot of the cheese in. That was 125 grams of cheese grate. Get it all mixed right in, if you can. Right, perfect. Now, I'm using a frying pan here. I've already put some oil in it. I use olive oil, but use whatever you want. Make sure the oil's nice and hot. Right, get a tablespoon. Right, they seem to be sizzling up quite nicely. Let's see. Get them to a good brown colour like that. Yeah, that's getting very brown. Right, let's take that one out. It's best if you dry them on a bit of kitchen towel before you serve them up, but I've not got any kitchen towel left just now, so get them into the plate. There, that's what they should look like when they're finished. They're absolutely marvellous.